Kindness in the Trees, the Mango Story. Once upon a time, in a green jungle, a silly monkey named Maiko saw bright mangoes on a tree. Maiko loved mangoes. He jumped up and down, trying to reach the delicious fruit. Yum! Mango! He squeaked excitedly. Suddenly, colorful parrots flew by. Hello, Maiko, they greeted. Will you share those mangoes with us? Michael thought for a moment. Yes, let's eat together, he shouted, feeling happy to share his treasure. They all enjoyed sweet mangoes, laughing and singing. Michael learned sharing makes every meal even more fun. The end is only for the story, but for the moral, it's going to be continued. What do you say, children?